Factories. Building complexes with facilities for the manufacture of goods, which offer job opportunities for large numbers of people. The process of employing fewer people in agriculture and more in industry is currently taking place or has taken place in every country in the world. In developed countries, this process reached its peak in the 19th century, but it is still an ongoing process in developing countries. Industrialization transforms over time, however. The number of factory workers decreases, while the demand for engineers, salespeople, teachers, and researchers increases. As a result of the change in the structure of the economy, the service sector is becoming dominant. This is a slow process that could take more than 100 years. Factories on the outskirts of a city will have been surrounded as the city spreads out. Certain factories have transformed and become more modern as a result of global challenges. However, some factories have not managed to keep up with the pace of this transformation. These factories have closed down, and their buildings have been abandoned. A less skilled labor force, undeveloped infrastructure, and the lack of entrepreneurship do not attract investors. Nevertheless, due to the proximity of the city center, these industrial sites are extremely valuable. But how can the old industrial sites be incorporated into the economy again and at the same time become attractive parts of the city? In developed countries, the rehabilitation of brownfield sites started in the 1980s. Factories were demolished and replaced with residential or office buildings. The situation, however, is less favorable on the peripheries of Europe and the United States. There are examples where these processes can take decades. The level of soil, water, and air pollution is extremely high. It costs a fortune to clean them, thus discouraging investors. The goal of any town or city is to incorporate brownfield sites into the landscape. This creates job opportunities, promotes the image of the city, and boosts the economy, as well as making the place more livable.